want to give a special thanks to Mattel for sending this product to us for free. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide. This is a pretty special one today. Are you ready? Barbie 2020 Campaign Team Career of the Year! Big dreams, bright future. Okay, so I'm gonna say I already love this, and I haven't even looked inside the box. The campaign colors are pink. And this is like the exact shade of pink that I am obsessed with, so yeah, you got my vote. If I can just get this off. There we go. Let's open the box. Wait, there we go. And inside we have a message. Each year, Barbie shines a light on a career underrepresented by women to expose girls to a role they may not be familiar with. The 2020 Barbie Career of the Year proudly features a team of 4, introducing the campaign team. The Barbie campaign team dolls honor women who have lent their voices and dedicated their careers to causes they believe in. Women represent 51% of the US population, but make up less than a third of the nation's elected leaders. And we know that Black women are represented even less across federal, state, and local elected positions. In an effort to inspire greater representation in the next generation, Barbie is encouraging girls to make their voices heard from the polling place to the podium. Speaking of podiums, check out the packaging. This is a 4-doll set. It says campaign team in the top corner. There is an illustration of the dolls in a lower corner, the 2020 Career of the Year seal in the top corner, and a podium cutout on the front. Online at barbie.mattel.com, this set has a suggested retail price of $39.99. On the back of the box, you can see all 4 dolls and read a little info about what they do. There is a campaign fundraiser, a campaign manager, a candidate, and a voter. A campaign fundraiser works to raise money needed to run a campaign. A campaign manager works in partnership with the candidate while overseeing the day-to-day operations of the campaign. A candidate is an individual who decides to run for an elected office. A voter will vote for a candidate running for office. Then you can read on in detail about what each person does. At the bottom of the box, it says, She Should Run. About She Should Run. When we tap the full talent pool this country has to offer, there is no problem we can't solve. That is why She Should Run is empowering more women and girls to consider a run for office. Together with She Should Run, you can help inspire the next generation of women leaders. Parents can find more tools and resources at sheshouldrun.org. She Should Run is a nonpartisan nonprofit. Well, you know, parents, gift givers, doll collectors, whichever one you are. Let's get these dolls out of the box for a closer look.
Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
Out of the box, the campaign fundraiser is a curvy Barbie wearing a blue dress. It looks like a printed denim with a collar with printed details, printed buttons going down the front, and printed pockets. She has blonde hair and blue eyes. The dress is all one piece and it velcros in the back. She has a plastic blue belt around her waist, holds a black bag that you can really put stuff in, and she carries a gold-colored cell phone, and it looks like she's calling somebody. And she finishes her look with a pair of white shoes. This doll has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, the shoulder, and the hip. Next to her in the box, there was a paperboard cutout of a bar graph. The campaign manager has brown hair and brown eyes. She comes with a pair of black glasses, She wears a white and black short sleeve dress. She has a silver colored cell phone with what looks like a calendar on it. She wears a silver colored watch and red heels. She has an original Barbie body type, and her dress velcros in the back. I do like how the pattern goes all the way around. Next to her in the box, there is a cutout of a portfolio. It does open. At first, I thought these were paperboard, but they're actually more like a cardstock. They got a little glossy finish to them. She also has a silver colored laptop, and we can open it. If we can open it. We can open it. There we go. And you can see a map of the United States, and it looks like their airplane route, like of all the places they're gonna fly as they tour the US on their campaign. The candidate has curly black hair and brown eyes. She has an original Barbie body type. She wears a bright pink jacket with faux pockets at the bottom and one on the top of the chest. There's a plastic American flag pin on her lapels. She wears a pearl necklace. It's white and made of plastic. The jacket velcros in the front. She wears black pants. They velcro in the back. And she wears a pair of black heels. This doll also comes with a silver colored cell phone, and it looks like it's open to her planner as well. I see numbers going down the sides, so I'm going to assume it's a planner. And she has a microphone, so everyone can hear her giving her speech. Elect me, so dolls can rule the world! Well, she's got my vote, which brings us to the voter. She has the petite Barbie body type. She wears a white t-shirt that is pinched at the bottom, so it kind of looks like she's tucking it in. I guess it looks better when I pull it down a little. I voted is printed onto the shirt. The shirt velcros in the back. She wears printed denim pants with printed details like a belt, pockets, and distressing. They are cuffed at the bottom, and she wears white sneakers. Ooh, I have these in pink. Now I have them in white. She carries a black cell phone, and you can see some of her apps. This doll has light brown hair with blonde highlights and brown eyes. Next to her in the box, there is a ballot printed on cardstock. Wow, so we get 4 cell phones in this set. I like how they all have something different on them. And since these 2 are the same color, we can switch them out on the same doll and pretend like they're scrolling through their phone. Let's see, what's on the to-do list today? Plant a tree? Awesome! At $39.99, each doll costs around $10, which is about the price of a Barbie Fashionista at some stores. But you get a few extras like cell phones, paper accessories, a laptop, and a bag. I really like this white t-shirt. It's probably one of my favorite pieces in the whole set. The little I voted sticker on the top is super cute. I would love if these came out in fashion packs. That way all of our dolls can have a t-shirt when it's time to vote. All right, pros and cons. I like this jacket. It's a great piece to add to our doll wardrobe. I can't resist a good black and white dress. And all the little accessories are a fun touch. However, we do have some box hair, but I know we can fix that with a little TLC. A little bit of water and a brush, and we'll be good to go. And the packaging makes a pretty good background. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Barbie 2020 Campaign Team Career of the Year. And I gotta say, I liked this Career of the Year because we got 4 dolls with 4 different outfits and 4 different jobs all working together for one goal. So that was pretty cool. Let us know in the comments down below if this set is a buy or pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!
This is